Image, Kool Image Dolls, Kool Image Dolls.
There's a Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything to put my mind to. I'm a Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls, Kool Image Dolls.
There's a Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything to put my mind to. I'm a Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls, Kool Image.
Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm about to get my hair washed. First, Miss Dom is going to take out my hair. Yep, the water's okay. Ooh, I love it when you wash my hair, Miss Dom. Oh my god, bubbles! Oh, that shampoo smells so good. Ooh, la 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 la. It feels so good. La 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 la. So, what's next? All done. Lastly, it's time to get my hair done. Sometimes I'll be wondering, is it hard to do hair? But then you do it for me. So I'll be like, okay. Are we almost done yet, Miss Storm? Can I see? I love my hair so much. Thank you, Miss Dom. What hairstyle should I get done next? I don't know. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. Maybe Kiki will come get her hair done next. Before you go, you must say the pledge. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I love myself. I love my hair. Don't touch my hair. It's not your hair. I love my skin. The skin I'm in. My personal blend. My perfect skin. I choose to smile because my smile can cure your frown and lift my crown. Yay! You did it! See you next time.
Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image
We're
Dolls.
the Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything I put my mind to. I'm Kool Kid.
Kool Image Dolls. Kool Image. Kool Image
We're
Dolls.
the Kool Kid crew. I'm beautiful. I can do anything I put my mind to. I'm